Hello 48. Hello 48006.
She's gonna have to hold. She's gonna have to hold.
And hello.
Run down.
Hello. Yo! Red bus! You're driving the rarest bus in the entire southwest. We're driving the red bus. Now hold your horn! He's gonna do it, isn't he? I'm running with Platinum Jubilee. Bus chase! Bus chase alert! Bus chase alert! Chasing the red bus! We're going to head down to the parade on Wall Street to get some food for the birds. And then they're going to go insane. A bit like Grandpa Pig when Candy Cat ate one in the park. I'm a woolly mammoth. That's what we're going to make the birds do in a minute. I'm a woolly mammoth. 36238. What was that?
That would have been 36239 if she didn't break down.
No, she was still being replaced. 36206. What bad timing she is. She looks really weird. Maybe it's because she's not originated from here. Maybe because she's slightly smaller or bigger. I don't know. Where are my pigeons? I got an insane.
A little bit too insane.
Yeah. Right, run under the bus. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. 37474 does not want to start up. Oh my god. Now they're lively. Oh my god. Monkey nut. Oh my god. Feeding the monkey nuts. Tash. This is how good that is. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god, oh my god. Fishing gets confused. Shorts. Oh my god. One snip. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. A little bit too insane. Oh, I nearly fell into 3747. I nearly fell into 37474. 37474. She's loose. Hello, hello, hello. Oh my god. Pretty lady flew her. Hello, 37474. Oh my god. They'll just go underneath.
Well, yeah.
Oh my god. Like, oh my god.
Tyler, get on that side.
My pigeons.
Get on that side. Get on that side really quick.
No, go. No, run. Oh my god. What's he saying?
Nothing.
Hello. Just as I came, with my pigeons nearly crashed into me. Basically crashed into me 474. Oh no, my food on her. Go insane. Seagull. Hello, national holidays. Haven't seen you. Oh my god, it's crazy food. That's what we want. Me and my coach, me and my pigeons together. Seagull running shorts. Oh my god, What the hell? Oh my god! What the heck? god. What the hell? It's all by my feet. They're climbing on top of each other. There they are.
Look,
Oh my god.
film a portrait as a YouTube short.
That goes to some door and I'm fighting all of them. One literally went in between my legs to over there. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god. Dog! Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Wrong side. Oh my god.
There is no way.
Oops, my wire. 47091 just make pigeons go say 36206. They're frightened now. Pigeons are scared of the buses now. But we ain't scared.
4791 is alright.
Rev! Rev! Hello! I thought she broke down for a minute. Oh my god. Pigeon going insane. Our bus is going insane. Everyone's going insane. 7091 smells. She stinks of fire, that 36239. What about she? Oh, uh-oh. Beep, beep. She got red, didn't she? Surprisingly, no. Just zoom in, take a photo. Beep. Oh, just leave it. You hear music. Oh my god, oh my god. Me and my boss. Me and my boss. Oh my god. You know she comes back, wow, 36206. She's on 99. Dumbo. I haven't got many clips today. Oh my god. Did you see that? That was insane. Pigeons are going insane. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. They nearly flew into each other. This looks like, let me see your clever one. Nearly flew into the camera. Sorry about the snappy noises if you've only. Oh my god, oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. No, too close. Oh my god. Dog! Dog! 2 dogs! Oh my god, oh my god. Where are these pigeons at? I think they flopped away. Oh, 36206. Seagull. Oh, there. Oh my god. We're about to film our first big beach bus of the day. When? Hello, 19658. Wait, we haven't been out that long, have we? Time hasn't gone quick today. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Me and my pigeon. I've taken my meds today. Go. Yes. Oh, hello. What the heck? 37116, please move. Ice cream. Oh, seagulls would love that. How do I feed the birds I am? Oh, hello, E200, C crossover. 37474 and 37116 crossover. Oh, I'm Platinum Jubilee! What the? 10452. That's 10452. And this is 37474. 37474 is just about left.
No.
Oh my god! What the? They're everywhere. They know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, no, knocking over. Okay. Oh my god, jeez! Just as 36006 comes. Seagull went insane, YouTube shorts. Seagull's got going insane, YouTube shorts. Seagulls, oh my god! What the hell?
Seagulls.
Where's Seagull? It's gone. 3606 to pass it out shorts. Let's see. Hello. Can I come and have a look, please?
If you're very quick.
If I'm very quick. There's a ticket. Oh, ticket's whipped up. Poor bus ticket. Oh, the bell won't work. Oh, ticket. Oh, ticket. Wait. Our ticket machine's still broken. We had to whip them off manually now. Aww.
It won't work with the bus off.
I know. Just having a look. Can I have a look around the driver cab from here?
No.
Not even from here.
No, do not put your phone in there.
Our other drivers let me.
No.
Well, if you don't want to, then that's fine. $374.80. Right, 68 UH. That's right at 68 UUH. Wait, she's not in service. That was extra kind. I wish she was an Exmouth driver, don't you? Because I reckon he'd let us go in the bus yard. That says 57 tracks it on up. 37480. Right, 68 UH. 48012 does not sound that well, does she? She does not sound well. Four eight 012 and 37480.
Oh yes, got a perfect shot.
Three 740. Right, 68 UH. And it is 48012 by Jason in ABX. Yeah, yesterday then the start came flying round the corner. We were like, oh, hello. Where did you come from? Well, I can't believe I saw my first ever Dennis start yesterday. Yesterday's video is going to be uploaded soon, I promise. Probably be uploaded after this video. Or before, I don't know yet. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Dun. 19607 W60 FHO. 19658 should be coming in a minute or two. Hello. E200 and E400 together. We're about to see 19658, guys. So she hasn't broken down. She's just waiting for her time. Because she's half an hour late, she's waiting half an hour and then she'll depart again. Yeah. Got quite friendly drivers we have. We've got a friendly driver on this bus. I'll tell you time. Or not. Okay. Really? Stop! Yep.
One moment.
One moment.
You two, come. You two jump in. You two jump in.
What's
Jump in. Yeah, jump in.
Yeah?
I'll be there in a sec. Go upstairs, have a look around your window.
What are you doing?
Come on, he's letting you. Yeah, go on. It's so you can have a proper look around, alright?
Proper good around? Yeah.
Look around, alright?
Good minute.
Go upstairs, take your videos, do what you want.
Oh, this is a treat.
This is what you call a personal adventure.
Tickets, a huge bunch from
Oh
one.
my gosh.
There you go. Upstairs at 19658. Wow. Thank you.
That's alright.
Oh, it even.
Thank me, thank us.
Oh, beeps up here.
Press the one at the bottom of the stairs as well, the blue one.
Yeah, let's press this one. Right. Right, it's out of the way.
Right, I'm gonna kick you off now. There you go.
Wait, wait, hang on. Can't quite reach in there.
Right, go on then, bus nerds.
Oh, nothing.
It's alright.
I just need to get a ticket. At least one. Can't be.
I'll give you one now. Come on. Can you do him a thing? Who wants a ticket?
Hang on, just a minute.
Go on, that's alright. There you go. There you go, go on. Go on,
Okay.
off you go.
Right, there you go.
19658, you in it?
Yep, 19658. Wait, was he that funny one? No, it's 19657. He must have been that one. No way. Oh, you're going to do as many times as you can, I think. He's one of the happy drivers, isn't he? He's very happy. He's like, yeah. Come on, have a look. He will take up any time for us though, won't he? That's your proof that 1968 didn't break down. 18452. Can I come and have a look, please? Can I come and have a look? Oh, it's a rare bath. What do you say? No, I can come and have a look, yeah? I was thinking, may as well have a look while you're here. Don't go round to Brixington this way, you have to get to 99 to Brixington.
Wait until she gets
If you want to go to Brixington, you have to get to 99.
Wait until she gets over there. Stop recording. Go over there.
Not sure exactly what you mean. Not exactly sure. No, she is the boss in Exmouth though. Look at that beauty. Hello 157. Can I come and have a look please?
Eh?
Can I come and have a look?
No, not allowed.
Other drivers do.
No, they don't.
Yes they do. I promise you.
Not allowed anymore.
Yeah, I've done it lots of times today.
Not anymore. Not unless you've got a ticket.
Well, that's not what other drivers say.
Yeah.
Even today they've let me have a look around
No,
buses.
you're not allowed.
We're not travelling or anything, just having a quick look and then helping off again.
Is there a said now?
The driver's confused. They'll go and get going after that. That's who we saw earlier, Jake. That driver's confused.
Meow. Okay, yes, I do know when the next bus is.
36237 37474.
Meow.
He's a confused driver.
Who?
That one is.
What, in 37464?
Yeah.
He isn't going to allow us in though, is he? I ain't recording it.
Why?
It's the same old thing.
It
Recorded
speaks
it
more.
like 5 times.